made the report them. Those are my made the report them to their own palace for Kumaze, me for facing disciplinary action. Since then, you know they put all those things again. So
for me, that's a good one.
Yeah, so check they put them again, no, because me as I did, I know they tolerate nonsense. I always try to stand on the truth. Why how person will just come, you want changes to overnight? Wait you go benefit from it. Even me don't even tell her one-on-one.
They don't get respect.
Okay. At least if something we don't know, even most of those Igbo people, if I see like something with them talk, especially with consign Igbo, say that they tag Igbo to be Igbo, me I always the comment. Try to at least.
Okay, I don't see your comment before they call you Bini man.
They go they insult me. I know they like to insult person. They'll tell me say I be Bini person. After I say you where they say you be Bini, you know me before, you don't know me.
See now.
Even this army man, I don't forget his name. He retired. I think he retires. Buhari just come out. His name Nairabo. That Nairabo. Bini the answer Nairabo again, but now what person?
Yeah, now what person? Yes.
My grandpapa name, we born my father. His name now Okunzwa. Now what person?
Jesus.
I'm telling you the truth. Now Okunzwa now be name. Even he get one of our neighbor where they close to our house for where my papa house for Agbo. His son name now Mr. Osawe. The man is late now. They call him JP Osawe. Osawe Bini see the answer.
Yes.
So if we and Bini not get something in common, how come you say most of our names or most of our Bini names with the answer almost the same thing?
Same name, yes.
Hello, people on a day there. You saw that gathering. Look at their names. The host is the lady called Easy. In fact, this is a gathering of Edo bloggers, mainly on Facebook. You know what they're doing? They are trying to stop the UNIFY IGBO project. In this particular crowd video, one of them is saying that they should report Onyenwe Mmadụ Kainebi, who is from Akumaze, Umuocha. They want to report him to the Akumaze community. Can you imagine? They don't want Igbos to unite. And you can see that the UNIFY IGBO project is gaining ground. And these guys are opposed to it. You remember the lady, the host, as you can see on the screen? I shared her video here a particular time. She was saying something, a small girl that doesn't understand anything, talking about histories she doesn't understand. They want to claim Abo, they want to claim Ibanke. They said these are from Edo State. Yes, even though Bini people wielded influence there, Bini were instauring chiefs upon these people. Now they want to claim that the people of those areas are Bini people. Can you imagine what is happening? And now, the UNIFY IGBO project is gaining ground. These guys are also gathering. They want to, I'm still trying to, understand this. They don't want Igbos to unify. They said these people are from Bini. Okay, the other guy said that Agbo people bear Bini names. Now, if you want to judge by the names they bear, at least 90% of them bear Igbo names. So who should get them, Agbo or Ibanke? If we are to pass judgment based on that, based on the names they bear, and based on the names of their village, based on the name of their community. Akumazi Umuocha. Where did that one go? And I remember a video by Kainebi himself. In that video, he said most of the names of villages and communities in their area are the same with that of the southeast, instead of being the same with that you find in Bini. So where do they belong? Why is Bini claiming everywhere? So these people are, they took time to gather, and I believe they will continue to do this. They want to report Akumazi Umuocha to their community. Even the lady Easy, the small girl, said he is stubborn. He is stubborn simply because he doesn't want to drag his Igbo-ness with anybody again. He wants to identify as who he is. Maybe, Bini people are about loyalty to Oba. That is why he's stubborn. He wants to This is where I belong. This is the people I belong to. This is the people that are related to me. I must walk with them. So that to them is stubbornness. Please, viewers, please, you need to support the UNIFY IGBO project. You need to support the UNIFY IGBO project because the opposition is growing too. They are not happy with what is happening. They are not happy to hear that Igbos are unifying. There are a lot of them. They are springing up. And recently, you remember Edo Bini, one of the high chiefs in Benin, said he talked about how Ezechime, who was from Arochukwu, came to join them, that he was actually from Arochukwu, that he's not from Benin. But he lived there. After some disagreements, he left again. Just like the Edo Bini himself, he said they are from, their ancestry is from Yoruba. But they came to stay there. And they were given titles.
How did it happen? There was a period, a long period, when the asset title in Benin was vacant. Nobody occupied it for almost 50 years. When it was revived by Oba Orogbo, are you following me? Oba Orogbo revived the title of Iyase. He gave the title to his trusted friend from Ezechime in the present-day Anocha local government. He was not a Benin man. His name was from Ezechime. So for his name it was Eze. So every Iyase after that man now greeted La Oyeze. You follow? La Oyeze.
So why would Bini be clear? Okay, maybe Bini, due to in those times, Bini people are known to be warriors. They have been conquering places, and somehow maybe they had influence over these areas. They installed their chiefs. And to them, people who doesn't speak their language, who have no connection with them in anything, they want those people to be under. They want to maintain that influence that have been dismantled. And the people wants to identify truly as who they are. And they are beginning to gather to fight them. Perhaps when the civilian is here, let me read the names I see there. Okay, Easy is just the host. Her name is not there. Then there's one Classic Gloria. Then there's one The Brookas. There's one Joy Edo Blood. You can hear their name. Then this one that claims to be from Abo. He wrote his name as Engineer Iyare Jones. He claims to be from Abo. This is the one saying, look at him down. He's the one saying that they bear Benin names. That I now told him, if they bear Benin names, if we are going to judge by the names they bear, most of the names are 99 or 95% Igbos. And I heard by this guy from, I've forgotten his name, Murphy. And I heard from Murphy in one of his live video that even Iseloku, Bini is claiming Iseloku. He said that it is only their kingship that was installed by the Bini people are actually from Bini, just like our people, and even the Abo. And maybe these guys are truly from Bini, the kingship, the people ruling over them. And should they force everybody to be under Bini? So these guys are not happy. If you follow Wounded Civilian in his program constantly, the thing is as if you poured something on their body that scratches them. It is really irritating to them, and they are trying to fight back. And I want to also use this video to play with you. Support the UNIFY IGBO project in any way you can. Support. We are beginning to make progress. Please share this video widely. They are coming and we are going. That is it though.